Hello all and welcome to another video from Ellensburg Amplifier Repair and Service. Today is just going to be a quick little short one about an Orion 5K, the HCCA 5000.1D version 2 amplifier. If you're working on these boards that have the IR2110 ICs that drive the output, you have to have an input signal to check your low side drive here with the transistors removed to verify that your cards are operational. And sometimes we get trucking along and we forget about having our input signal right here. And for instance, just now I pulled off the IC off the board I was testing, one here that doesn't have a hole in it and one that does have a hole in it. So I pulled this one off because when I started it up I did not see low side drive, but I did not have an input signal. So just tip of the day, make sure you guys have an input signal to get these cards swinging for you on these Orion HCCA amplifiers. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Watch the rectifier. Rail voltage here could get a little spicy. Catch you on the next one.